Greetings and salutations and welcome to another video. In today's video it's a channel update and also a little update with my AU class. So for update with the channel, content will probably be now going to once a week just whilst the human malware infection runs its course, because now I'm at home and self-isolating. So is my family and so are most other people, and with my family in the house it's very hard for me to record because it is not very often quiet enough for me to record and not pick up everything with it, because I use a condenser microphone which gets great sound voice but not so good for when I want to try and not hear everything in the background, so I need to be very quiet. So yeah, we'll let that run its course. As you can see, I'm on the BBC, lots of people are self-isolating, quarter of the world's population under lockdown. I'm under lockdown in the UK. Boris Johnson has basically said keep all your journeys to the minimal and avoid travelling where you can, and so that then leads me to my AU class. AU London has now been postponed to December, and so that means we've got plenty of time to prepare if I do get picked to actually present. And so here's what you need to do. I'll put a link in the description, or if I could put the cards up I will. And so essentially you just navigate to this page, you can see all the classes. Now if you just put in mine's called Autodesk Inventor, a jumpstart for beginners, as fast as possible, and click the vote. Every vote counts and definitely will help me towards getting to AU London and presenting the class. So if you're interested, or you're interested in Inventor, or you've never used Inventor but just want to have a go at 3D modelling, well, here's the time, because I'm going to be covering the basics. I'm also going to be doing some meshing. I'm going to be doing everything you need to get going, and also a little bit of stuff to do with like 3D printers, like how to get your meshes all set up so you can actually start to use 3D printers, and also get stuff off like Thingiverse and online CAD sites that might be STLs and not native Inventor files. We call them dumb solids for lack of a better name, but really they are dumb because they have no history and you can't really do much to them. Whilst they are dumb solids, you have to make them into a part. So we're covering that, and yeah, I'll probably also bring some of my projects in, share my experience, and yeah, really just giving you a bit of a guide in 90 minutes of how to get going with Inventor. We're going to run straight at the deep end and going to go for it. So yeah, if you're interested, link will be down in the description. Vote up. You can just type jump in and it'll come up pretty quickly. So yeah, content will be down to once a week, but once it's up, I should be going up to twice a week. So thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.